Here are 10 key lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Mindset shift. The rich think differently about money. They see money as a tool to grow wealth rather than just a means of survival. Assets versus liabilities. Wealth is built by acquiring assets, things that put money in your pocket, and minimizing liabilities, things that take money out of your pocket. Financial education. Traditional schooling rarely teaches financial literacy, but learning about money, investing, and entrepreneurship is crucial for financial success. Work to learn, not just to earn. Focus on jobs and side hustles that teach valuable skills, such as sales, management, and investing, rather than just high-paying jobs. The importance of cash flow. Generate passive income through assets like real estate, stocks, or businesses, so your money works for you even when you're not working. Don't rely on a single income source. The wealthy diversify their income streams rather than depending solely on a salary. Embrace risk and failure. Taking calculated risks and learning from mistakes is essential in wealth building. Failure is often a stepping stone to success. Control your expenses. Discipline in managing expenses is as important as growing income. Avoid lifestyle inflation to ensure surplus funds for investment. Taxes and corporations. The wealthy use legal structures like corporations to reduce tax burdens and protect their assets. Invest in yourself. Continuously develop skills, knowledge, and financial acumen to stay adaptable and prepared for new opportunities.